Hello everyone. Today I would like to share some tips with you on how to obtain free coins for the Tango apps. I know, I didn't believe it either, but look at this. It actually works. Before recording this video, I tested the credibility and safety of the website, and everything works very well. As we can see, we are now on the Tango app where I have created a test account. I have 0 coins. In this video tutorial, I will guide you through the steps you need to take to earn coins for the service. So let's get to the essence and go to the website. We go to the website, and we see that now we need to enter our email address, which we will use for free coins on the site. It's very simple. I will enter mine and tell you what to do next. Now we click on the Connect button, and we see that we need to enter the number of coins we want to generate. I will enter 1,000 and click the Submit button. Now, we need to wait for the system to connect to our account and add the free coins. As we can see, it starts by connecting to the global server first, then connecting to the database, and so on. We need to wait for a moment. Great. Now we see a message saying, your resources have been created successfully. Then they ask us to share the page on Twitter or Facebook. I have already done that earlier, so I'm moving on. But one more very important thing. It is crucial to remember to create a new account, as it doesn't always work on old accounts. So, we click the Continue button, and now the most crucial task that we must perform to receive free coins. It is necessary because if we don't complete the task, the website won't be able to verify us. Don't worry, completing the task is free and takes no longer than 19 minutes. So, we click on the I'm Not a Robot button. Now we will see a window, and we need to choose one task to complete. Most often, it will be downloading and installing an application, depending on the country you are from. Keep in mind that on mobile devices, it may look a bit different, but the principle is the same. I choose a very simple task: install the Playtime app and play 3 games for 5 minutes each. The task is to download the app from the partner from Google Play on your phone. This is very important because when we do not complete this task, the code will not appear. We will now open the app page that we all know, Google Play. We click Install and wait for the app to download and install. Anyone who has apps on their phone will surely manage. Once the application has downloaded, we click the Open button. Now the application will open for us. And here, the most important thing is to perform our last task, i.e., install the Playtime app and play 3 games for 5 minutes each. It is very easy, and the application is very interesting. It's off to work. To avoid prolonging this tutorial, I completed the task. It took me 17 minutes. I wanted to make sure and use the application longer. This is very important. As you can see, I am now in the Tango app and 1,000 coins have been added. Thanks for watching my tutorial to the end.